Hi guys, I'm Dallas Fueston.
And I'm Jason Bird.
This is Moneymorphosis.
Moneymorphosis is a brand new self-folding bill animation where you can actually borrow a spectator's bill.
And change it from a caterpillar into a butterfly.
You can then take that butterfly and pass it back out to your audience as an altered object souvenir.
We hope you enjoy Moneymorphosis.
Now I've got one more thing for you guys. You want to see another trick?
Yeah.
All right, good. It's a money trick, but I don't have any money. do you guys have maybe any kind of bill, like a 5 or a 10 or a 1?
I think I can help you.
It's up to you to say
Okay,
this. Right?
okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Okay,
All right,
so-
great. Oh, perfect. That'll work just nice. Okay, I want you to sign it. All right, so I want you to take that, and I want you to sign your name across the face of it for me right there. Perfect.
Alrighty.
All right, very good. I'll take the marker back.
Sure.
Very good. Now you can see your signature right there. That is definitely your bill. But I'm going to show you something. I'm going to introduce you to somebody. All right, somebody kind of special. All right. I'll show you who I'm talking about here. This is my pet caterpillar. Yeah, he does tricks though. Don't worry. Watch. If I go like this, watch. Right, that's neat, right? Right. So I bet you didn't know your money could do that.
No.
Yeah. So what's the most famous thing about a caterpillar, though?
Butterfly.
It turns into a butterfly,
Yes,
right?
wings, yeah.
A metamorphosis, right? It changes. So we're going to try to get him to go from a caterpillar. Watch very carefully. Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Why are you doing that? Oh my god.
Just like that.
Oh my gosh.
Watch.
Oh my gosh. It's so crazy.
And that is a
Oh,
souvenir
thank
for you.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
So cool.
What's the most
Caterpillar
famous thing about a caterpillar?
becomes a butterfly. Whoa. Whoa, what? This is folding right
Actually,
before our eyes. That's
it actually
amazing.
becomes a butterfly.
Yeah.